Rahnwet na.
Pohnpei. Pohnpei. Pohnpei.
Rahnwet
Yes, ira oralapakan mesatan sum ang kabese yung
Rahnwet na.
Pohnpei.
Iyang kasalelye rakacho karospacho nan programen Rahnwet nan Pohnpei programen kabese way raka poy rakasampalakan me wiyawi teban wiyawan wain Pohnpei hariamo na chpan pacho yang nan programen kabese nan suksech nagoneng melel yen chiyang kiyoya at nga sakaratan kay poniyawa ton walen wa rakso kon Pohnpei yu at nga sakaran wa laban kupransanan kan ko Maun kisabal marlikan na nalatnan kanye ko. At chingal wow choror toke sabal machay kapinan wain Pohnpei karyawan kapina speaker vice speaker o chawakan chorus nan 10 Pohnpei legislature. Maun ki son ko pong labalap samoro labalap chon tatak sarawikan nan pediyan labalam kan chorus nan wain Pohnpei. Mo bachawan waun ki sabal mar chon way yung sak. Rahnwet way saban man kaya so mga bukchailan kachin kasamo. Pinakap kasampal Mrs. Ilani Simon. Yan ya student support specialist Mipachawan Walianto. Obisan Kampan Kamarain Department of Education ng Wain Pohnpei. Ang suksech ban Pachawan Luke Mrs. Simon ong non-programmen kapese ng suksech ng kaksakaraway ni Aralap Iragasampal may pacho kanan kaya chingalan so
Kalangan Miss Kalyo Kasileria main ko ay chingon sakaratan wow kan pachenga che wow me chingar moy puegian so iyang Rahnwet si pachuan walian to opsin kalban kamarain puyen sakara o kapesa yung chonway program kasamwaleo me chapter wiyawinan Pohnpei makatan ki student takeover day
kalanganin ko mo Mrs. Simon area kong tula o kapesa yung chon Wain Pohnpei Rahnwet takot student takeover day waranta me program watch kanuyaw ng Pohnpei
Kalangan Miss Kalyo Student Takeover Day ye program me kasandiran kin puita pak nan bareo me kin kawait kawaliali te kasban pen puko Sangray son kaway tamang mga novice kan sapon machay high school seniors kan in Pohnpei o program which kinuyawin ni Pepori Riyasak Silu.
Kalanganin ko mo ayat me program and student takeover day chepta nan Wain Pohnpei.
Kalangan program which chepta nan parent school Riyasak o Riyasak Parent school which panuya kaslibakan par me program which pan puita nan Wain Pohnpei.
Nagkaksansal tama kanuyawi na run and student takeover.
Kalangan Miss Kalyo. Ninrano run and student takeover day iray sa repilipiltakan pan pacheng zone kawait kan eneo office o bachawan kachangaway pukota to me kasandian puita ninrano. Nikarasepe. Ma elementary school and Pix, me ban pacho wan waliandi kaun school in Pohnpei, as termino ban pacho ni office level school o wiya pukoin kaun school in Pohnpei, sang ni kawit sawas and kaun school in Wain Pohnpei. O ni kaim saklan tatawagan rano, iray chon school kan, chon tatawagan kan ban kamarain, penay o high school principals kan kin pacheng, host employers kan nan kasaraw moche makin kawawi o kasaleta puitan ran.
Kalanganin ko mo Mrs. Simon. Ya team tara laban parwach the student takeover day and parwach meban kalwa sabon machay tatok.
Kalangan Miss Kalyo. Team te oralaban parwach ye chukan war chupuchup war sesing. Pilmiye ira chika me bacha ban ira oralabwach me kachichiki. Saring school and Rahnwet ye son kawaitin lakap.
Kalangan kabesa yan chon way Ya kama open program watch ong sabon machay sa rin school kan?
Kalangan kamopen program mo meaning nga termelen abureriyaw may ban kasalayang John Way Rahnwet. Kayo serikan kincungalan ki ain so mau en kayan ong kota tongkan merabacawan oraman en uyala euran. Keriyaw serikan kincungalan ki di ain so mau en pem yang memunta to kaya kinpuita ni machay Pohnpei Rahnwet. Opinion sa watcher akin inanan beran kita melen aray cungal ngil temat-mataw akin sensalata nan wasan tatongkan.
Kak sensal ya iten sarikan mepanu ya takeover and tarwatch o aray cungal pukuakan.
Kalangan miskalyo iray sari siliakan lemen meban bacawan ya takeover and tarwatch. Uyech mararaykan o pukokan meraban pagi niaban sansat pa. Elizabeth Edgeworth sang Pix meban pacawanuya General Manager Pohnpei Port Authority. Fantasia Azagias sang Pix mebanuya Chief Personal Labor and Manpower Development. Chesa LC Holiday sang Pix mebanuya Director, Pohnpei Department of Education. Valichin Loni sang Pix mebanuya Speaker, 10th Pohnpei State Legislature. John J.C. Curley sang Pix mebanuya Director, Public Safety. Evancy Damerlan sang Pix mebanuya Education Vice Chairman, 10th Pohnpei State Legislature. Braden Johnson sang Pix mebanuya Deputy Director, Micronesia Conservation Trust. Chanel Artos sang NMHS Panuya Vice President Engineering, FSM Telecommunications Corporation. Saniko Ansan Panuya Teacher, Omine Elementary School. Melissa Jonathan Panuya Principal, RSP Elementary School. Tosio Paulus sang NMHS Panuya Public Auditor, Office of Public Auditor. Kevin Leon sang NMHS Panuya Acting Marketing Manager, Pohnpei Port Authority. Chissy Orlando sang MHS Panuya Assistant Secretary, Division of Special Services, National Department of Education. Vanette David Panuya Director, Department of Treasury and Administration. Kiola Channing Sylvanus sang MHS Panuya Lieutenant Governor, Office of the Governor. J.B. Hilgenberger sang MHS Panuya Seaport Manager, Pohnpei Port Authority. Roxanne Crevenchani sang MHS Panuya Chief Executive Officer, President, FSM Telecommunications Corporation. Ambrosenda Panuya Director sang School in SDA on Educational Talent Search Program. Caitlin Nanpei sang SDA Panuya Academic Coordinator, Upward Pound Program. Victoria Carl sang SDA Panuya Acting Dean, CTEC COM FSM. Marvin Russell sang SDA Panuya Controller, Pohnpei Port Authority. Sophia Pacalanto sang SDA Panuya Acting Manager, Social Security, Pohnpei Branch. Simone Mantano Panuya Coordinator sang SDA School, UN Resident. Sean Michael Edwin sang OLM-CHS Panuya Facilities Maintenance and Infrastructure Development, Pohnpei Port Authority. Terenza Devon Iriarte sang OLM-CHS Panuya Human Resources Manager, Pohnpei Port Authority. Cieli Oliver Irons sang OLM-CHS Panuya Education Chairperson, 10th Pohnpei State Legislature. Tanisha Matthew Sharma sang OLM-CHS Panuya Education Advisor, Pohnpei Department of Education. Tisha Ray Leben sang PCS Panuya Assistant Secretary, Formal and Informal, National Department of Education. Angelica Yamamura sang PCS Panuya Directing Attorney, Micronesian Legal Services Corporation. Mary Mac Davis ang PCS Panuya Executive Director, Pohnpei Community Health Center. Javon Jacobs ang PCS Panuya Airport Manager, Pohnpei Port Authority. Cyrus Isayas ang CCA Panuya Staff Attorney at Law, Micronesian Legal Services Corporation. Obed Castro ang CCA Panuya Chief, Health and Social Affairs. Kiafe Adams ang CCA Panuya Community Resilience Specialist, PREL. Hukim Sagla Nicole Peterson ang CCA Panuya WASH Specialist, UNICEF.
Kalanganan ko mo Mrs. Simon, Iran Kawe Wanay, San Salamao, Mepitanta Programmen Student Takeover Day. Area mo na chaban kay Programmen Kabese and Rahnwet. Miyeche iran ako na ngayon San Salong Chon Way, me kalalapang ka student ang chungalanso.
Kalangan Miss Kalio. Obis lapen kampan kamerain pasuwan kamelele me program watch Panuya. Kongong pen kayanan kamarain ong sapon na sa eksarika ng Rahnwet. Yay meleta sa pinpasuan pagpaki chu chen penene o melel sang chon way ong program watch puen kakanchela balanan para kan meban pachoto. O kim saglas sa pasuan luka kupurkaros at melel penene ong nikasarawi mochomot and takeover day meban yawak lak silu murin sa wasan pepurariye sak siluan barwat ng Pohnpei State Gymnasium.
Kalanganan ko mo Mrs. Simon o kalanganan ko por chorus. Ay match magayang sa kadar program and Rahnwet ng Pohnpei. Program and kabese way irakap, irakasang palakan, mawiwiyawi, tepan wiyawan ng wain Pohnpei o sa pachawan tuklukayache. Kupurakanan kasing sa bali, Radio Physics AH, hong nan kaunoptan program kasampal chekan more. Kalangan o kasalelye.